Oh, I had to scoot over a little bit. And good morning. How are you doing today? Thanks for streaming with us. Well, hot. I mean, kids are going back to school and everything, but they're going back in August, and so it's just hot out there. The heat index is going to be around 101. Now, I do see an opportunity for rain coming up. I think it's going to be a decent chance, about a 30 to 40% coverage. Problem is, some folks may not pick up a drop, and then other folks may pick up a half an inch. It's going to be real hit and miss, but it's the best chance we've had in a while. All right, just making sure that my mic works, and it sure does. All right, temperature out there, 86 degrees, normal low 76, and the record is 106, set back in 1953. We're not going to break the record today. High is going to be right around 99. It is going to be definitely a hot one for us today. All right, let's take a look at the temperature. Boy, that's a pretty picture, right? The high temperature, again, 99, 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon, partly cloudy skies, and just enough humidity to give us a heat index probably topping out at about 101. This morning, we do have some showers showing up quite a bit from Palacios over to Port Lavaca, Victoria, picking up a little bit of some scattered shower activity. That's going to work into Lavaca County, going to work into DeWitt County as well. And late this afternoon, let's say after about 5:30, as we get closer to 7, we'll have an opportunity for a few isolated showers. Just don't expect rain in your backyard because there's not going to be very many showers out there at all. All right, temperature has bounced off the morning low of 78. We're now at 86. Gonzales, 91. I want you to notice down to the south and east, it works. I mean, it warms up quick, but when the sea breeze works in, it's not quite as hot. So Victoria, they really peak early. I mean, look at the temperature there in Victoria, 92. You add the humidity, and it feels like 101. Bay City feels like about 100. Hallettsville at 98. All right, looking at the surface map, we've got a lot of shower and storms off the coast of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama there off the Gulf Shores. Quite a bit of activity there. There are some showers and some storms, North Texas into Arkansas. Kind of along an outflow boundary, there's also a disturbance moving in around this upper level ridge of high pressure, and that upper level ridge will stay kind of put where it's at. And what's going to happen is we'll see this disturbance is kind of coming around the bend, and I think it'll lead to a chance for some showers and some storms. High today, let's see, I got to fix that to, there we go, 99 degrees. We're going to have some of the hottest temperatures in the whole country right here in south central Texas today. Quite a bit of shower activity out in Arizona, New Mexico, some in the deep south as well. All right. So lots of heat for us. Okay, this is another way. This is the best way to show you why I think we've got a pretty decent chance for showers and storms on Thursday. First of all, the upper level ridge is centered over Colorado, and that upper level high, we're going to have a sinking air motion today as usual. So rain's going to be kind of isolated. As we head into tomorrow, let's see if we can get there. There we go. I think North Texas is going to have quite a bit of activity. There's going to be a disturbance, and you can kind of make it out by those red little dots that are kind of underneath the rain. They should be kind of above it because it's more of above than below. But anyway, upper level disturbance should be approaching, and I think by Thursday, our rain chances go up. But like I said, not everybody's going to pick up rain. It's going to be about a 30 to 40% coverage, but some will pick up maybe a half an inch. Others not much. Friday, I think we'll have some lingering activity, even into Saturday. Then Sunday, notice what happens. That high just gets real strong again and keeps any kind of chance from rain for developing. Matter of fact, there's going to be so much subsidence that you see those little disturbances coming in for midweek. I don't think that's going to do much good. By the way, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, since we're here and we're streaming and we're here, we might as well. If this verifies, which, this far out, the 19th, which is 10 days, you just kind of got to use this with a grain of salt. But if this ends up verifying, and both, by the way, both the European and the GFS model have got a big low in the Great Lakes and a big high out towards Utah and California with a pronounced northerly flow. Good things this time of the year happen when we have this kind of a flow. Temperatures tend to come down a little bit, chances for rain come in, we'll see what happens. I'm not quite buying it yet. It's a long way out. I think persistence is probably better, but we'll see if that verifies there. We got enough time to watch that. That's for sure. All right, out in the Atlantic, it's been a real slow tropical season, but we've got a disturbance there in the Atlantic, pretty decent one. The National Hurricane Center says there's about a 30% chance of developing over the next 5 days or so. But I can tell you this, if something were to develop the way it looks right now, I don't think it'd ever work into the Gulf of Mexico. So it's either going to fizzle out and never develop, or develop and then fizzle out, or affect the eastern part of the country, but probably not for us or get anywhere near us. 99 for a high today. Look at the isolated showers, just a few. I mean, just not very many. And most of them will die away before they reach us here in Bexar County. And then tomorrow morning, we'll start off with some clouds. And tomorrow, it's going to be hot. Highs around 99, may even hit 100. And look at that outflow boundary coming in. If it ends up working like this, I don't care what this computer model says, there'll be some showers and storms along that. The problem is, will this happen? Will there be such a pronounced outflow boundary from all that activity there? It's rather doubtful. So I'm just going to leave a 10% chance for Wednesday. But now you know that there may even be a little bit better chance for Wednesday if that happens. And then Thursday, here we go, with now the disturbance really works in and scattered showers and storms. But I'm telling you, some of us are going to miss out, and it's going to be a pretty decent opportunity and pick up nothing. But others will pick up a ½ inch. So you've got to ask yourself a question, do you feel lucky? Well, do you? That's, of course, from the movie Clint Eastwood. Half the people probably know what I'm saying, but the other half probably not. But yeah, Clint Eastwood. All right, as we head into Thursday, let's roll this back a little bit to Thursday night. Yeah, there we go. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look at Hondo. Just happened to be under a good shower, almost an inch. San Marcos 0, at the airport 1/100th, Victoria not very much, Kerrville a ½ inch. Now, it may not work out exactly like this, but the point is, some of us will pick up some rain, ½ inch to an inch, others not picking up much. So hopefully you'll get lucky. Extreme to exceptional drought continues. The aquifer, we're sitting at 630.9 on the aquifer when we went down about a ½ foot or so, and we're getting awful close to the 620s. I think that's going to happen, actually. Mold is light, 400 grains per cubic meter. Let's see. Okay, time for the 7-day. Today's high temperature, we're going to be right around 99, heat index of 101. Tomorrow, 99, heat index of 101. Thursday, 40%. Think about a 30-40% chance of rain. High 97. As we head into Friday, 96, 20%. 20% on Saturday, high 97. And then I think Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, hot. Highs around 100. If things work out the way I think they will, remember, we've hit 56 days this year that we've had 100 degrees. I think if the forecast verifies and what I think is going to happen, we may break that record next week. So stay tuned. It could be a record-breaking week with the most 100-degree days we've ever had here in San Antonio, a record we don't want to break. All right, stay cool. Make sure and watch the noon show that's coming up, 4, 5, 6, and 10. Make sure and watch that, and I'll be back tomorrow morning with more. All right. Have a great day, and again, we really appreciate you being with us. Have a good day.